Big story this morning, those gusty winds. As of right now, till further notice, we do have a road closure there. I-90 east and west closed from Big Timber exit 370 to Columbus exit 408 due to hazardous conditions. The blowing snow, really problematic. I mean, it's not off the table, but there's a chance where we could see gusts up to 60 miles an hour, especially around the Big Timber area through at least lunchtime today. Now, we've already had gusts over 50 miles an hour in Livingston, just had one clocked at 48. Here in Billings, we had a clock of 32, but we've had 40-mile-an-hour gust already this morning here in the Magic City. And part of that is the reason why we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for portions of the area. Some of us, though, have a chance to see a decent amount of snow coming through with this clipper system coming through. It's a rather quick moving one, but here in Billings, gusts up to 45 miles an hour possible through lunchtime today. We could add 2 to 5 inches of snowfall southeastern corner of the state. With gusts up to 40 miles an hour. The Priors of the Bighorns could pick up anywhere from 5 to 9 inches of snowfall off of this quick system. The Beartooths could pick up several inches as well. And then high pressure takes over as we get into tomorrow. Tomorrow for some of us just going to be a gorgeous day here in Billings alone. Mid 30s with lots of sunshine, and then several waves of moisture coming in as we head into the weekend. Friday night could see some rain first, and then as we get across the weekend, we're going to cool down and we can see maybe a better chance of snow.